Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. Diabetes is a very common issue that happens to people due to insulin resistance, low insulin production by the cells, and the improper functioning of the already produced insulin in the body. The concrete factors that influence this and that make this disease appear are not known, but some studies show that lack of exercise, excess sugar, heredity, and genetics play a huge role in the formation of this issue. There are two types of diabetes. Type 1, a scenario where the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. Type 2, where the body does not create insulin and does not react to insulin. Some of the symptoms of this disease include tiredness, fatigue, unexplained weight loss, fuzzy vision, extreme thirst, hunger, frequent urination. There are certain treatments for diabetes, and most people use the ones that are most commonly prescribed by doctors. There are certain pills depending on the type of diabetes you have, but all of those medications can provide a temporary solution that cannot last long term. Also, some natural remedies you can try that can be more effective and cheaper than any other solution. It is a 2-ingredients remedy that will help you address the root of the problem and make your life with diabetes much easier, as opposed to the bad side effect of many diabetes drugs. Ingredients: 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 5 liters of water. Method: put the water into a suitable container and add the other ingredients in it. Like that, store the mixture in the fridge for about 5 days. After that period of time, the beverage is ready to drink, and you should consume 1 deciliter every morning before breakfast and on an empty stomach. Make a fresh batch of this recipe every time you need it, and remember that it needs 5 days to soak before you can consume it. You should drink 3 bottles or 3 doses of this recipe, and after that take a break with 15 days. We hope that you'll share this interesting information with your friends and family. Thank you for your attention.